Hi, I'm Wanda, your WorkMotion AI assistant, and today I will walk you through the seamless journey of talent onboarding and lifecycle on WorkMotion platform through the eyes of one of our customers. I have already selected my talent, and I need support with salary recommendation and cost employment. And what is more reliable than WorkMotion calculators to check? So let's check what WorkMotion will recommend to me. Looks good. Then let's calculate the employment cost. Then the net salary. Okay, now I have enough knowledge to start the onboarding. I was promised that I can generate my contract instantly in less than 2 mins, and almost effortless, let's see. Now I will onboard my talent by selecting the onboarding country. As you see there, guidance and information everywhere. Then product type and start to add talent data. Name, if my talent is citizen or executive. And the address, contract info, contract type, start date, end date, probation period, notice period, and compensation info. Salary, allowances, bonuses. This is effortless and easy. I wonder if I would really get my contract on spot, a contract that is compliant and ready for my talent to sign. Now I'm completing the data entry, following the guidance the platform is giving me, which is great because it's my first time to hire in UK, and I need every guidance I can get so that I give my talent the best experience from day one. Now looks like I can invite my talent, and here I'm reviewing the final data I added to make sure there are no mistakes and confirm the terms and conditions. So yes, generate contract, review, and woo! I have my contract generated instantly, going through it and approve it for my talent to review and sign. Now, I will start a negotiation thread over the contract with my talent to get her feedback or comments on any of the clauses and make sure we can sign the contract as soon as we can. And I really appreciate I can start negotiating inside the platform so everything is in one place. Looks like we are good to go. And something that was all the time puzzling me, the public holidays calendar. Let's see if I can find any reliable information. Oh, okay, here we go. Looks like it's country specific and very accessible. One thing that worth mentioning, I'm live on the platform 24/7 assisting you, so maybe try my capabilities. Let's ask me about the expenses approval process, which is a frequent process in my day-to-day of many HRs, and it's our goal to give you the information you need inside the platform in a timely manner, so you provide the best experience to your talents. And as you see, the responses are very detailed, clear, and informative. 1 month already passed, and it's invoicing time. Let's see the due invoices and the amount. Okay, here we go in few clicks. I read the invoices tool is self-service, and it's amazing to see that I don't need any external support. I have audit. I need to export my talent's data from the platform without having to navigate to many pages. I will try the custom export feature. Apparently, I can mix and match different data points from contract, talent data, or absences instead of merging different exports. And in few clicks, I have a complete report with the raw data in CSV or Excel format that I can review and run analysis on. It's easy to use and time efficient because there are many data points that I would need to export, also to update other systems. I wonder if WorkMotion has started January payroll cycle or not. I want to track the payroll cycle to make sure that my talents would be paid on time, so I have peace of mind. Let's see if I can find a payroll tracking on the platform. It will be great if I don't need to submit a ticket asking about the status. Oh, here it is. Let me filter with UK. Fantastic. The process has started already, and I expect the cycle for December is closed. Oh yes, it's closed, and salaries were paid exactly on time. No doubt my talents are happy. Oh, Chandler performance has dropped recently, and he is not receptive to the feedback. But I have no clue what is the termination process in Portugal. I think I saw a recent release with the offboarding cost calculator. Let me find it. So yes, true. Here it is. Now all I need to do is select Chandler's name, and I get all the information I need. Cost, yes. Complexity there. Offboarding guide, I can find down there. Looks like pretty costy and complicated. I will give him another chance then to improve before I decide to terminate. On the other hand, Ross is doing great, so I would like to give him a raise before the payroll cycle cutoff. I wonder if I can do this quickly without reaching out to my customer success manager. I love how intuitive this platform. I find everything in no time. Here is the contract change requests. I would select Salary Change, add the new amount, and select the nearest open cycle. Oh, amazing. This is now done in less than 5 mins. Yesterday, Finn, my head of finance, requested access to the platform because he is really overwhelmed with the invoices files I shared with him monthly, but I don't want to expose talent's data to him. I learnt from my CSM that there is a role on the platform called Finance Manager that has only permissions to see the invoices data and files, so let's try and see if it works. I'm adding now Finn's data one more step. Spectacular. Security and data privacy is our first priority, so WorkMotion is meeting our expectations. Lisa, my HR team lead, has set up a new HRIS since we're scaling. It's very well-known Bamboo HR. She heard about it. And once she informed me, I was very excited that I can finally activate the integration on the platform with our new HRIS, Bamboo HR, and save the time Lisa spends every month updating both systems. I will tell you what I have done. I added my domain, and that's it. See? Piece of cake. Now it's getting all the data from Bamboo as per my permissions. So, the sync happens between the two systems. That being said, now we have automated sync of the absence requests as you see here. No double efforts. The request and the status are automatically synced from Bamboo to the platform. And what's making everything easier, that I can differentiate the requests synced from the HRIS. Perfect experience, isn't it? One feature I really admire on WorkMotion platform is the expenses feature. Expenses management is hectic and has many compliance risks, and I was super relieved when I knew that expenses tool is country-specific and compliant on the platform. Not just that, the tool can automatically identify if an expense is taxable or not, which used to be a big pain point for us, since our priority is compliance. And I do take into consideration all the information WorkMotion provides before approving an expense. I couldn't ask for more. WorkMotion platform is intuitive and easy to use. It doesn't compromise security and has compliance in the core of all the flows and processes. My team Lisa and Finn are happy as well as my talents.